Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 6th generation Nissan Altima. This is a 2024 model and I will show you which fuels to check in case your Altima is equipped with heated mirrors and they are not working. This video should apply to Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now the fuse you will be checking is located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel, right here, just behind this cover. Now to lower the cover, you just have to pry it down. The best tool to use would be like a small screwdriver or a small key or anything similar, so just kind of want to get in there and pull it down. Once you remove the cover, on the back side of the cover there is a small fuse diagram, and here you have access to all of the fuses. And this black piece, this is supposed to be the fuse puller you can use to remove and check the fuses. And the heated mirrors fuse will be this small red 10 amp fuse located right here. It's fuse number 19. Now in case this fuse is good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper, you'll have to check the switch, you'll have to check the wiring towards that mirror. It's a good idea to check the wiring behind this rubber sleeve, especially on driver's door, because quite often just from usage the wires inside break, and that's quite common cause of issues similar to this. And hopefully you'll be able to figure out what's going on, but I hope that your problem is only the fuse and by replacing it you will fix the problem. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.